Here comes Shaurav Kumar, appointed as technician in railway. I request Ghaneshyam Kumar, appointed as technician in railways.
आप सबको मालूम है इस कार्यक्रम के जरिए देश में नई पीढ़ियों को
रोजगार मेला में हम लोग जा रहे हैं, सभी दोस्त लोग। आगे भी दिखाइए, आगे भी दिखाइए।
इधर देख लीजिए, एक बार हाय बाय कर दीजिए सब।
ज्वाइन करने के बाद अपॉइंटमेंट लेने जा रहे हैं।
इतना भी सच नहीं बोलना था।
ज्यादा बोल दिए।
आपका फिंगर में तो नहीं हुआ है।
हमारे बल्लू सर आपके लिए स्पेशल।
रवि जी तो निकल गए। ये मास्क देख के आप लोग को जरूर कुछ याद आ रहा होगा। वीडियो वायरल खूब हुआ।
ये वही चेहरा, वही
गाइस, हम लोग धीरे धीरे जा रहे हैं।
लाइट
हेलो 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 हेलो
Namaskar, Suprabhat and a heartiest welcome to all of you present here at this 17th रोजगार मेला। इस अवसर पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। আপোনালো সকলোকে এই रोजगार মেলালৈ আদৰণি জনালো। It is our immense pleasure that Department Post is hosting the 17th रोजगार मेला in 40 locations in I now request Senior Superintendent of Railway Mail Service, Shri Dilip Kumar Ram, to felicitate Shri KP Singh, Principal, Chief Personnel Officer, Northeast Frontier Railways. I now request Senior Superintendent of Post Officers, Guwahati Division, Shri Mrityunjay Chaudhary, to felicitate Dr. Osud Chandra Boisa, Principal cum Chief Superintendent, Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. May I now request guest of honor of today's function, Manonyo Shri Jyoti Sarbananda Sonoal, along with the other dignitaries on the dais, to kindly light the ceremonial lamp. I fold my hands before the light that brings prosperity, auspiciousness, a positive aura, and enlighten the surrounding with light, peace, and prosperity. Om Shanti. May I now call Colonel Arvind Verma, Chief Postmaster General, Assam Circle, for welcome address.
आज के समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि श्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी, माननीय केंद्रीय कैबिनेट मंत्री, पत्तन, पोत परिवहन और जलमार्ग मंत्रालय। आज के विशेष अतिथि श्री केपी सिंह जी, प्रधान मुख्य कार्मिक अधिकारी, पूर्वोत्तर सीमांत रेलवे, एवं डॉक्टर अच्युत चंद्र वैश्य जी, प्रधानाचार्य एवं गुवाहाटी मेडिकल कॉलेज, एवं नियुक्ति पत्र प्राप्त करने हेतु उपस्थित सफल अभ्यर्थीगण, विभिन्न विभागों से आए अधिकारीगण, मीडिया कर्मी, देवियों और सज्जनों,
रोजगार मेला आप सबको मालूम है, इस कार्यक्रम के जरिए देश में नई पीढ़ियों को रोजगार दी जाती है और देश सेवा करने के लिए सुनहरा मौका दी जाती है। ये परंपरा हमारे परम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री ने शुरू की है। ये परंपरा हमारे लिए बड़ी उत्साहजनक है और और गरिमामय है, क्योंकि पहली बार के लिए हम लोगों ने देश में अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर हमारी पार्टियों को बुलाकर, सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट को बुलाकर उनकी हाथ पर सौंपे जाती है। इनके जरिए आप लोगों को जो इज्जत मिलती है और एक मौका आपके लिए आते हैं, जिस के जरिए आप अपने आप को साबित कर सकते हैं कि आप काबिल है, आपका पारदर्शिता है और आप देश के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। It's a very important, occasion for all of us. First time happening in the country. This tradition was not there earlier. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has started it to inspire the young generation how to serve your motherland. भारत माताओं के चरणों पे समर्पित भावनाओं से हर नागरिक को कैसे सेवा करना चाहिए, मुझे लगता है कि ये सुनहरा मौका को सही उपयोग करना चाहिए। आपके भविष्य में आप हमेशा इन चीजों को याद।
Now I request Swapnali Das, who is also appointed as Branch Postmaster, Department of Post. Congratulations, Swapnali Das. Now I request Chonoika Pater. He is also appointed as ABPM, Department of Post. Congratulations, Chanakya. I request Dipshikha Das. She is also appointed as Assistant Branch Postmaster, Department of Post. Congratulations, Dipshikha, and all the best for your future. I request Babita Sekya Deka to come up to the stage. She is appointed as Assistant Branch Postmaster, Department of Post. Now I request Sudipta Bora. He is requested to come up to the dais. He is appointed as Branch Postmaster, Department of Post. I request Riju Mohanta. She is appointed as multitext in multitext service, and she is appointed in Department of Post. Congratulations. Namida Nasreen. She is also appointed as Assistant Branch Postmaster, Department of Post. Now I request Nijul Baro. He is appointed as Constable in CRPF. I request Amit Das. He is appointed in Railways as Pharmacist, Anti-Grade. Congratulations, Amit. A huge round of applause, everyone. Now I request Manti De. She is also appointed in Railways as Assistant Workshop. Congratulations to Manti De and all the best to her future. Now I request Naveen Kumar Roy. He is also appointed in Railways as Junior Engineer, SMT, Design, Drawing and Estimation. I request Brigu Kalita. He is also appointed in Railways as Junior Engineer. I request Manoj Kumar. He is also appointed in Railways as Pharmacist. Congratulations to all of them and all the best for the future. I request Dipankar Regon. He is also appointed in Railways as Technician Group 3. I request Mohammad Anwar Hussain. He is also appointed in Railways as Technician. I request Sujit Das. He is appointed as Sub-Inspector in CRPF. So here comes Sujit Das, appointed in CRPF as Sub-Inspector. I request Priyanshu Mishra, appointed as Stenographer in Income Tax Department. I request Shilpita Arya, appointed in State Bank of India as a junior associate. I request Hirak Jyoti Das, also appointed in State Bank of India as junior associate. I request Shubham Sonar, who is appointed as junior executive in Airport Authority of India. I request Devolina Banik, appointed in General Insurance as assistant. I request Protim Bora, appointed in Oil India Limited Duniajan as junior technician. I request Pratik Sarkar, who is appointed as Social Security Assistant in EPFO. Congratulations to all of them. And I request Dr. L.G. Singh to kindly come up. He's appointed as Assistant Professor, Manipal University, Imphal. A huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you, sir.
নমস্কাৰ মোৰ নাম স্বপ্নালী দাস মই নলবাৰীৰ পৰা আহিছোঁ আজি মই ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট অফ পোষ্টেলৰ তৰফৰ পৰা নিযুক্তি পাইছোঁ মোৰ খুবেই ভাল লাগিছে মোৰ হাজবেণ্ড ঢুকোৱাৰ পিছৰ পৰা মই মানে ঘৰখন চলাত বহুত মানে অসুবিধা পাইছিলোঁ মই এই চেগতে মই আমাৰ মাননীয় প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াক ধন্যবাদ জনাম তেওঁ মোক মানে মোৰ পৰিয়ালটোৰ চলাই নিয়াৰ কাৰণে মোক এটা জীৱিকাৰ পথ দিলে ধন্যবাদ
Now I request Shilpita Arya to kindly come up. She's appointed as junior associate in State Bank of India.
Good morning to Honorable Union Cabinet Minister Sir, Sarvananda Sonowal Sir, and everyone present here. My name is Shilpita Arya, and this year I have been recruited as a junior associate for State Bank of India. And it is a moment of immense pride and happiness for me to be standing here today and to be a participant of the Rozgar Mela. I feel deeply honored and grateful to our Honorable Prime Minister Sir for launching this initiative that is creating opportunities for us young people to be a part of nation building. For me, this opportunity means a lot, much more than just a job, because it's my first job and it has made me self-reliant, given me dignity and confidence. And it has also given me the opportunity to be a part of nation building. So this initiative has reminded me that hard work, dedication, and the right support, with the right support, every youth in India can fulfill their dream of securing a stable career. With that, I'd like to end. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Now I request Dr. L.G. Singh to He's appointed as Associate Professor, Manipur University, Imphal.
Good morning, respected honorables in the dais and my colleagues in the disappointed. I'm truly excited to be here. Myself, Dr. Laisarung Professor Singh, recently I joined in Manipur University as an associate professor. Earlier I worked as the scientist in the National Institute of Rock Mechanics. मैं सबसे खुशी की बात है मैं पहले इंडस्ट्री में काम किया था अभी बसों को पढ़ाने के लिए जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस और मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस को मैं शेयर करने के लिए कैसे जॉब मिलेगा किस में क्या देना इसकी बहुत खुशी हुआ था एंड सेकेंडली आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक आवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर टू दी initiating this Rozgar Mela. This program will be the truly empowering the nation's youth, provide the meaningful employment opportunities to the instability, to the instilling the confidence in our future workplace. It is the significant steps towards the achieving of the development of India. And I also thankful the beautiful organizations of this company. Thank you very much.
May I request all the 25 candidates who have Just to stage for the group photograph. সকলো পিছফালে আহি যাব হেৰি
सबसे बढ़िया यही है कैमरा चालू करो क्या हम लोग को नहीं दिया मैं रो रहा हूँ यहाँ पे।
I request all the candidates to kindly hold the appointment letters with the front side. Yes. আমি সকলোকে নিজৰ নিজৰ এপইণ্টমেণ্ট লেটাৰটো ফ্ৰণ্ট চাইডে আগফালে ফেচ কৰিবলৈ ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ। I request all the candidates to hold the appointment letters with the front side.
कुछ बोलिए हम लोग को किस कर
Yes, sir. So congratulations to all the appointees.
पहले से डिसाइड कर लिया ये सब पहले ये सब बढ़ेगा लेकिन फोटो हाँ देगा सबको
The stage. He is appointed as junior engineer in railways. I request Atanu Samanta to kindly come up. He is appointed as junior engineer in railways. I request Chandan Das. He is appointed as junior engineer in railways. I request Julfikar Hassan.
जुल्फिकार
I request Julfikar Hassan. He is appointed as junior engineer in railways. I request Sheikh Ikramul. He is appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. I request Sohail Ahmed. He is appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. Mohan Shil, kindly come up to the stage. He is appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. Samiran Burman, appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. Mehjin Akhtar, appointed as Branch Postmaster in Department of Post. Kindly come up. Mehjin Akhtara. I think Mehjin is absent. I request Dhurba Oja, appointed as ABPM in Department of Post.
इसमें आना चाहिए कितना अच्छा रहा उसमें साथ साथ
Dhurba Oja, appointed in Department Post as ABPM. Abu Shayyad Ahmed is appointed as BPM in Department of Post.
सब पोस्ट मास्टर जाते हैं
Sahira Mondal, recruited as ABPM in Department of Post. Sahira Mondal is absent. I request Jiarul Haq to come up, appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. I request Pradeep Rabha. Pradeep Rabha is absent. I request Mosham Deka,
कौन देखेगा तुम
appointed as GDS ABPM in Department of Post. I request Rahul Alam, appointed as GDS ABPM in Department of Post. I request Hitesh Bishwas, Department of Post, appointed as GDS ABPM. Junaki Medhi is appointed as branch postmaster in Department of Post. I request her to kindly take her appointment letter. Appointment letter will be given to Bitupon Das, who is appointed as branch postmaster in Department of Post. Rahul Raj Boro, he is appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. Bikash Dotto, appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. So, I request Ijaz Ahmed, who is appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. I request Novin Das, appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. Sanjeev Chandi, appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. Deni Denjo Lama, appointed as branch postmaster in Department of Post. Dishalina Deka, appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. Pal Krishna Pathak, appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. Bastav Bora, appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. I request Rahul Kalita, appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. I request Kakumoni Talukdar, appointed as Dak Sevak in Department of Post. I request Bastav Soikia, ABPM Department of Post. I think Bastav is absent. I request Pinky Bora, appointed as MTS in Department of Post. I request Kamarup Jamal, appointed as ABPM in Department of Post. Thank you very much, sir. And this is the last Pinky Kamarup Jamal. He is appointed as ABPM Department of Post. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. I request Dhiman Malakar, appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Dhiman Malakar? Dhiman Malakar is absent. I request Gaurav Kumar H. Gaurav Kumar H is also absent. I request Noyan Baro. Noyan Baro is appointed as Junior Associate, State Bank of India. Noyan Baro is appointed as a Junior Associate, State Bank of India. And now I request Nikita Narzari, appointed as Junior Associate, State Bank of India. She is Nikita Narzari. I request Noyonika Bosumotari. She is also appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Noyonika Bosumotari. I request L. Hongdim. She's also appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Congratulations to them and a huge round of applause, everyone. I request Gopal Chandra Das, appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. I request Nilakshi Fukan, appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Nilakshi is absent. Drishti Nath is also absent. I request Dimpy Day. Dimpy Day, she is also appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. I request Jit Doctor. Jit Doctor, appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Congratulations to him. Next, I request Nikita Shah. She is also appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. I request Abhishek Sil, appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Abhishek Sil. Dhrutishmita Das is also appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. So here, Dhrutishmita Das appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Next, Pritham De is appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Rajkumar Saha is appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Rajkumar Saha. Vishal Nevar, appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Noyon Roy, appointed in State Bank of India. Aradhana Jha, appointed in State Bank of India. Shushmita Singh. Shushmita Singh is absent. Anisha Das. Anisha Das, appointed in State Bank of India. Mark Ahmed, appointed in State Bank of India. Shavik Mazumdar, appointed in State Bank of India. Shavik Mazumdar. Another Shavik De, appointed in State Bank of India. Vishal Sharma, appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Vishal Sharma. Ashik Iqbal Chaudhary, appointed as Junior Associate in State Bank of India. Ashik Iqbal. Pratibha Vaishya, absent. Mrigan Vaishya. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request Chauhan, appointed as stenographer in Income Tax Department. Akash Malik. Akash Malik, stenographer, Income Tax Department. Jatil, appointed as stenographer, Income Tax Department. Rajat Khandeval, appointed as stenographer, Income Tax Department. Manas Gogoi, appointed as Junior Technician, Oil India Limited. Noyanjyoti Bora, appointed as Junior Technician, Oil India Limited, Duliajan. Rituraj Chetia, appointed as Junior Technician, Oil India Limited. Akshay Jyoti Bora, appointed as Technical Assistant, Oil India Limited. Thank you, sir. Now I request Anil Kumar, Assistant Commandant Group Center, CRPF Guwahati, Central Reserve Police Force, to kindly come up to distribute the offer letters. I request Chochang Greba, who is appointed as Sub-Inspector in CRPF. Thangling Singh Hoikip, he is also appointed as Sub-Inspector in CRPF. Narayan Nandi, Narayan Nandi is absent. Sandeep Sarkar is absent. I request Dr. Avinash Kumar Chauhan, appointed as Assistant Professor, Manipur University, Imphal, to take the offer letter. Atif Siddiq, appointed as Junior Engineer, Railways. Gaurav Dev Vishwas, appointed as Junior Engineer, Railways. Sunil Das, appointed as Junior Engineer, Railways. Rajiv Namo, appointed in Railways as Junior Engineer. Navendra Kumar Yadav, appointed in Railways. Pathapalli Harshavardhan Reddy, appointed in Railway as Junior Engineer. Sumit Kumar, appointed in Railways as Junior Engineer. Vivek Bhargava, appointed in Railways as Junior Engineer. Ritish Kumar, appointed in Railways as Junior Engineer. Nitish Kumar, appointed in Railways as Junior Engineer. An important announcement. Whoever is leaving now will please collect their lunch box from outside before leaving. I request everyone to collect their lunch box before leaving. I request Ashwini Kumar Gandhi to kindly come up. He is also appointed as Junior Engineer in Railways. And I request Dr. Ashok Chandra Boiswa, Principal cum Chief Superintendent, Guwahati Medical College, to kindly do the honors. I request Lakhan Roy, recruited as technician in Railways, to kindly come up. Vaibhav Kumar, recruited as technician in Railways. Congratulations to Lakhan, and here comes Vaibhav Kumar. Mohit Mayank, appointed as technician in Railways. Shankar Kumar Mandal, appointed in Railways as technician. Bipin Kumar, appointed as technician in Railways. Mohammad Soib Alam, appointed as technician in Railways. Bablu Kumar, technician, Railways. I request him to come up. Congratulations to all of you.
शीतल जी बनाते रहिएगा एकदम नहीं कंटिन्यू करते रहिए आगे देखते रहिए
Bhola Kumar, appointed as technician in Railways. Parmeshwar Kumar, appointed in Railways as technician.
अब उसी में फोटो खींचने वाला अभी फोटो खींच लीजिएगा, इससे खिंचाएगा फोटो.
Bhumidhar Davimari, appointed as technician in Railways. Congratulations, Bhumidhar.
यहाँ से भी हो जाएगा.
I request Colonel Arvind Verma, Chief Postmaster General, Assam Circle, to kindly distribute the offer letters. Yes. So here, Bhumidhar Davimari, appointed in Railways as technician. Manas Jyoti Dekka, appointed as Junior Engineer in Railways. Deepjyoti Kalita, appointed in Railways as Junior Engineer.
ना फट जाएगा। अरे ठीक है, अरे फोटो फट जाता है।
Jyotirmay
Photo भी
Chaudhary,
लेना है।
appointed in Railways as Junior Engineer. Thank you, sir. I request Director Postal Services Headquarters,
आगे आगे वाला कर दीजिए आगे।
respected Vipasha Singla Madam, to kindly do the honors. I request Jitu Prasad Gupta, appointed as Junior Engineer in Railways. Rupesh Kumar Jha, appointed as Technician in Railways. Roshan Kumar Jha, appointed in Railways as Junior Engineer. Roshan is absent. Mukesh Kumar is also absent. Prince. So here comes Prince Kumar, appointed as Technician in Railways. Congratulations to you, Prince, and all the best for your future. I request Pavan Kumar Jha. Pavan Kumar Jha is absent. Raj Bharti. I request Raj Bharti, please come up. He is appointed in Railways as Technician. Congratulations to Raj. Here comes Sundram Kumar. He is appointed as Technician in Railways. Here comes Anshu Raj, appointed as Technician in Railway. Here comes Saurav Kumar, appointed as Technician in Railway. I request Ghanesham Kumar, appointed as Technician in Railways. Sajan Kumar, appointed in Railways as Technician. Please come up. Congratulations to all of you. I think everyone kindly give a huge round of applause. Sajan Kumar. I request Rohit Kumar. I request Rohit Kumar to kindly come up. Appointed as Technician Railway.
बना रहा है ना? ठीक है।
Shekhawat, Mohammad Shekhawat, appointed as Technician in Railway. Balveer Kumar, appointed as Technician in Railway. Akhilesh Kumar, appointment is given in Railways as Technician. Congratulations to them. Akhilesh. Abhijit Pratap Singh. Abhijit Pratap Singh, appointed. I request Senior Superintendent of Post Offices, Shri Mrityunjoy Chaudhary, to kindly come up and distribute the offer letters. So here comes Abhijit Pratap Singh. He is appointed in Railways as Technician. A huge round of applause, everyone, and congratulations to him. I request Sheetal Raj. Sheetal Raj, appointed in Railways as Technician. Here comes Sushant Singh. Appointment is given in Railways as Technician. Sushant Singh. Sushant Singh. I request Saurav Kumar, appointed as Technician in Railways. All the best to him and congratulations, Saurav Kumar. Rupak Kumar, congratulations, appointed as Technician in Railways. Rupak Kumar. Shyam Bihari Kumar, appointed in Railways as Technician. Rahul Sharma, appointed in Railways as Technician. Papai Pal, recruited in Railway Department as Technician. Congratulations to Papai. Prabir Rana, recruited in Railways as Technician. Congratulations, Prabir. Saurav Mandal, recruited in Railways as Technician.